Hello everyone, welcome to Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Bendigo bank account online. If you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and in the URL box at the top type in www.bendigobank.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official webpage of Bendigo Bank, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login button in order to log into your online banking account. But make sure to select an area from the drop down right next to login. If you'd like to log into your online banking account, select e-banking option and click login. Doing so will take you to this login page. Go ahead and enter your access ID in the text box. Your access ID is your unique customer identifier for e-banking. Type it in and make sure to type it in correct. If you'd like the system to remember your access ID, click on this remember my access ID circle at the bottom. But if you're using a public or a shared computer, leave it unchecked. Finally, click on the next button and as soon as your ID has been verified, you'll be taken to the next page. Here, you'll need to type in your password. Make sure to type in your password correct for your e-banking account. In case you've forgotten your password, click on I forgot my password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new one. Finally, click the next button and you'll be able to log into your Bendigo online banking account right away without any kind of a delay. That is how you can easily log into your Bendigo bank account from your computer. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.